Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and go inside of 3ds Max. We go up to File, Import. Let's choose our character we just made. Again, we're going to do the OBJ file, not the I'm sorry, we're going to do the FBX file, not the OBJ file, because the FBX file is the one we just did from Mixamo. Okay, look at Mixamo right there. Hit OK. And there's our character, fully rigged. Now, this character right now is using generic bones, which are not very user-friendly to work with. So what we're going to do now is we're going to convert this over to a biped character, which will be easier for us to work with. Again, we'll check it out and see if we need to choose a simpler skeleton or if we can just use the standard one using this tool right here. And we're going to do this autobiped.ms. I'm going to drag it over and drop it. So it's going to give us this little script here and click Create Biped. And so what it's going to do is it's going to create a new biped skeleton, then it's going to fit the biped skeleton to the other bones, and then convert all of the skins and all of the skin weights over to utilize the biped rigging versus the traditional bone rigging. And so that's what it's doing now. This can take about a minute or so to kind of run, and you'll see the thing flashing as it's going through all the parts. It's kind of fun to watch. You can see, again, it's kind of working with the pants and the shoes and the legs and different elements. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Again, we don't want to rush it. I'm just kind of waiting. Yeah, once it stops flashing, it'll be all done. But you can see now it's gotten rid of all the other bones, and now it's just, again, making sure everything is functional. This part's a little boring to watch, but okay, once things are done flashing, we should be good. I'm going to go ahead and close that. Here we can see the character looks pretty rigged. It's okay if your bones don't fit perfectly. Again, it's much more about, how they animate and work on the character. So for this, let's go ahead and grab all of our objects. I'm going to right click on them and go right click, maybe here would be easier. Right click, come on. I'm going to go ahead and go to object properties. And to make my life easier, I'm going to hit freeze, but I'm also going to uncheck show frozen and gray because I want to keep my textures and everything visible. Now, I can only click on the biped. I don't have to worry about messing up my model, but I can check to see if the rig worked. So the arm looks good. Control Z, we'll go and put it back. The one thing I've had problems before with the wrists, they seem like they are all functional and working. So I think we're good to go. Let's just check our fingers. Yep, I think we are all set. Okay, so I'm going to put a link to that exact script that I used for this video in our page. Please feel free to take a look at it. And if you want to use Mixamo for your character, you're welcome to do so. This process, exactly like this, would be the same even if I made this character in something else. So if I'd have made the character in Make Human or Daz Studio or some other character creator or found some other character model I wanted to use, if I use the Mixamo rigger to rig it, then it should, this entire process should be the same. So feel free to kind of use whatever tool to make your character you want, including making your own character. And again, the rest of this entire process would be identical. Thank you for watching to the end.